quarantine friends. We're doing it. We have to do it. So that's part of us and we're in it together, and I'm just glad we can do this because imagine if we didn't have FaceTime or things like that. So we are in it together. So hope you guys are doing a good job at social distancing and quarantining and all that. And yes. So what are your goals while you're in quarantine? Mine are a little different. So I actually have been thinking about a business idea for quite a while, and this is the perfect time to do it. So what I have been doing for the past 15 years is skincare and cosmetics. So I worked at Sephora in 2003, and from there I ended up becoming an esthetician in 2005. I have done over maybe 4,000 treatments. I worked on a cruise ship in Hawaii. I have felt and seen and done so many different types of treatments on people's skin. So what I'd like to do is offer you guys a service. So something I've been thinking about for a while is personalized consultations. So what this means is we would get to FaceTime each other. I would go through everything that you're currently using and things that you can take out and things that you can add. And we can really get down to it, because imagine all the things that you've purchased that you have no idea how to use, and it's just sitting there. Who's done that? Yeah, exactly, right? So that's where I come in. So we can go through all of that. I'll give you a customized regimen for your skin and all your makeup. So if you're interested, let me know. You can direct message me and we can find out some rates for you and what your budget is. And yeah, let's get this going. Let's get some skincare going while you're sitting at home. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you soon.